Anybody know of a great curry recipe? I do, and I'll tell you how to cook the best curry ever at home. Start by preparing quality fresh ingredients to DIY your curry flavor with a half teaspoon ground turmeric and cumin, 2 tablespoons ground coriander, some fennel seeds. Don't forget to add I actually have a better idea to cook almost instantly from Atomy chicken curry paste. Ta-da! You've just made the best curry ever that is totally aromatic, healthy, and super convenient. Atomy chicken curry paste, an original curry recipe proudly made in Malaysia. The real paste for the true Malaysian taste.